Hello everybody. Welcome to Pause Up. Here, we bring you the funniest, the cutest, and even the craziest moments of them pause. And now, let's laugh. Filters work really well on human faces, but let's see what they would do if we try them on pets. Look at this cat, all cute and stuff, right? But this filter brings out the grumpy side of hers. If Snow White were a cat. I think it's safe to say all pet owners experience these crazy events at 3 a.m. They could be playing. Or running.
Fast as boy. Still fast as boy.
Or climbing. What about making a mess? Well, they do that too.
What did you do? Oh my... Chester!
Or even partying. You know what, guys? It's time to pay their back.
Oh, see how annoying it is when somebody wakes you up while you're sleeping?
That one worked well, but I might prefer this.
I'm sorry. You did this to yourself.
This is too funny. I can't.
Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping? Don't meow in the middle of the night.
I think they got it, y'all. Let's move on. This dog might be a little too good at acting dead. Wait, this granny looks suspicious.
Nurture? What in the... Oh, did I catch you lacking again, Nurture? Man, you love that thorn of yours, huh? You barely even fit on there. Alright, Bubba, see you later.
Taking pills could be a nightmare for some pets, but not this dog.
Here goes pill. Here goes chicken. Here goes pill. And then he followed up a chicken.
Oh my god. I'm shocked.
And he ate his pills. Good boy, Bear.
Have you ever owned a long-haired cat? Would you like me to describe it to you? Piano music. You did this to yourself, buddy. Got it.
What is better than camping with your cat? That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.